In this next step, we'll load a different forecast from the same model, which might show us some other aspects that are not covered by CPM. So please load in forecast number 6. We immediately see an impact, more effort, a longer duration, and a higher cost. Let's go back to the pie charts, and we can see by these different teams that they're showing us something quite different. For example, this engineering team now has communication and decision-making in addition to the meeting time, significantly more coordination. And as we look at the other teams as well, we can see that this latest forecast of the same model is showing us much more of likely activity. For example, for the structural engineers, there's wait time. Same thing for the electrical engineers. I wonder why they're waiting. What is it? Now, if I look more carefully at the timeline for the mechanical and structural engineers, I can see their activity over time or activity per day. But let's drill down into that wait, a particular kind of activity. We can see now that this team is waiting in May, late April and May. And we can expand that and see a little bit more carefully. Okay, so now we know that in this project, that for this particular team, May, they're waiting. So let's look at their Gantt chart by down selecting, filtering for them. And we can see that in May, that they're only doing one thing. It's a little strange. They only have one work activity. So what could be causing the wait? Well, we're going to show coordination by clicking on the button up above. And now we see an orange bar, which shows a period of coordination caused by a dependency. Opening that dependency on the right, we can see that the blue area, that's from our project model. That's the concurrent dependency we modeled. The red line is the forecast schedule, the mutual progress of these two activities. We can see that in the first part of their overlap, that the schedule is being constrained or affected by the dependency. Okay, so now we've really zeroed in on, we know a particular team and a particular dependency that is causing that wait. Take a look at the electrical engineers. Can you do the same thing? Can you find the root cause of wait in this particular forecast? Give it a try, and we'll see you again at the next step.